Exit of Manunka tunnels. There are falling rocks and ice all around, and inside it's collapsed. This is what's been excavated to get the railroad to go through. I was able to get through a little portion of the tunnel. Maybe the left one, I got through maybe almost halfway through. And I reached a section where it's completely flooded. And my rain boots that I have on now, it's just not adequate enough to get through that. You need at least waist high to get through that. And the right side
it's definitely drier than the other one, but the ground quickly starts to sink below you. Um, I wouldn't recommend going through there at all. I didn't get to the section where it's collapsed. I know some people have, and you could shimmy your way through, but that was years ago. There's been more collapses since then, and I don't recommend it. You know, unless you have proper equipment. I don't. You could actually see some remnants of the railroad if you continue, but I chose not to this time. I don't want to risk anything. But nevertheless, it was a nice adventure. I hope you enjoyed it too.